Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to use a handy feature, screen zoom, on your Mac, that can make your life a lot easier. Whether you're visually impaired or just want to magnify a specific part of your screen for a closer look, screen zoom has got you covered. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to enable screen zoom. For that, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Go to System Settings. Now, select Accessibility from the left sidebar. Click on Zoom. In the Zoom options, you can select how you want to zoom in. You have three main options here. Number 1, use keyboard shortcuts to zoom. To use this feature, turn on Use keyboard shortcuts to zoom. For toggle zoom in and out, press Option plus Command plus 8. We can also use Option plus Command plus =sign for zoom in, and use Option plus Command plus hyphen for zoom out. Number 2, use trackpad gesture to zoom. To use this feature, turn on Use trackpad gesture to zoom. After that, double-tap 3 fingers and drag, to change zoom. Number 3, use scroll gesture, with modifier key to zoom. This option lets you zoom by holding down a modifier key, like Control or Option, and scrolling with your mouse or trackpad. To use this feature, turn on Use scroll gesture with modifier key to zoom. Now, you have to select modifier key, which you want to use for zoom in and out. We can also change zoom style from here. We have successfully finished basic setup. Now press Command and scrolling with your mouse or trackpad to zoom in and zoom out. You can also try different zoom style from here. Now, click on Advanced. You can find some option to modify your zoom experience. Read this carefully and turn on any feature, which one you want to use. Now, let's see hover text option. To use this feature, turn on it. After turn it on, press your modifier key and move your mouse pointer. You can highlight any section using this feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in our next video. Don't forget to leave your questions or comments down below, and feel free to suggest other macOS topics you'd like us to explore in future videos.